ดีค่ะ Hello. Now I am in America. I come to America because I have extra time, and also I want to get a vaccination here because in America you can get a vaccination, a free vaccination, and it's really hard for us, to get the vaccination in Thailand. As you know, as our age, we're not 60 years and we're not sick people. We're healthy. As we are in America, and I would like to introduce you to my special person, a man in my life. So some of you have taken my class, you might, have met him before. And for those of you who haven't met him, here is Jason, my husband.
Hello. Nice to meet you all, and nice to see you all again. We usually go on pretty fun adventures, and this is our pandemic adventure, and we wanted to invite you along. We usually don't include our personal videos and our personal lives in our social medias, and especially on May's YouTube channel is usually all cooking, and
Yeah.
but this time we thought that it would be interesting for you to see how difficult it is to leave Thailand, and
Yeah.
also the hoops and everything that you have to go through to return back into Thailand. So we obviously made it safely, but we were talking about it, and we thought, well, we should probably publish
Yeah.
some of the things that we've done. So as of now, we have a lot of things to show you, and I hope you can come along with us.
Yeah, and I'm glad, that I can show this to all of my Thai friends and Thai people in Thailand, how complicated for a Thai person, to be here in America during the pandemic.
Yeah, so I think May's going to be doing a few videos in Thai, and but mostly in English. So we're going to cover both Thai and English
Yeah,
traveling adventure stories. I'm really looking forward to showing some of the stuff that we've gone through, and the things that we're going to see. There's a lot of these things are going to be kind of surprises for May. I have a few roller coaster rides lined up.
I don't like that. I'm scared. I'm afraid of the heights. But
So-
well, life's so short. It's, why not try new things?
So we, and it's all going to be very home video style, and I hope you can appreciate that. We have no fancy intros and no script and really no planning like right now, when we finally decided to include you into our journey because of the beautiful background. I think many people might recognize this. Unscripted, we're just talking, so I hope that's okay with you.
Yeah, please, follow us, or if you, haven't subscribed, in our channel yet, Thai Secret Cooking School, please do, and we'll bring you, with us to see our adventure.
Yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be fun. I mean, there's
Yeah.
gonna be a lot of mistakes, and I think the funnest thing I'm looking forward to is, so far we have more blooper reels, I think, than anything. But
Yeah.
I mean, it's great. Here we go. I'll take the camera, but look at that beautiful background. Welcome to America, May.
Yeah, again and again.
Again. Yeah, welcome back again. So, all right. Thank you very much, and please do follow us. And if there's any recommendations you have, send them our way in the comments.
Yes, please. So please keep in mind, we're not professional.
Yeah, this is amateur hour.
Amateur.
But it'll be fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy enjoy.
All right. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next video.